The Three Little Pigs. Once upon a time, an old mother pig and her happy family fell into misfortune. And so she sent her three little pigs out into the world to make their own way. The first little pig went out into the world. He soon settled down and built himself a little house of straw. Before long, a big bad wolf came along and saw the little house of straw. He looked in the window and saw the first little pig inside. The big bad wolf knocked on the door and called, "Little pig, let me in." The first little pig cried, "Not by the hair of my chinny chin." The wolf and the pig. Then I'll puff and I'll puff and I'll blow your house in, growled the big bad wolf. And he huffed and he puffed and he blew the house down. The big bad wolf found the first little pig and he gobbled him up. The second little pig went out into the world. He soon settled down and built himself a little house of sticks. Before long, the big bad wolf came along. He saw the little house of sticks. He looked in the window and saw the second little pig inside. The big bad wolf knocked on the door and called, "Little pig, let me in." The second little pig cried, "Not by the hair of my chinny chin." Then I'll huff and I'll puff and I'll blow down your house in, growled the big bad wolf. And he huffed and he puffed and he blew the house down. He found the second little pig and he gobbled him up. The house. Where's the wolf? You don't need to open the picture. The third little pig went out into the world. He soon settled down and built himself a little house of bricks. Before long, the big bad wolf came along and saw the little house of bricks. He looked in the window and saw the third little pig. The big bad wolf knocked on the door and called, "Little pig, let me in." The third little pig cried, "Not by the hair of my chinny chin." Then I'll huff and I'll puff and I'll blow your house in, growled the big bad wolf. And he puffed and he puffed and he huffed and he puffed again, but he could not blow down the house of bricks. The big bad wolf knew he would have to be clever to catch the third little pig. Little pig, he thought, I know where to pick the sweetest turnip. Come out and I'll show you. No, thank you, said the pig politely. He knew the wolf was trying to trick him. I don't like turnips, and the big bad wolf went away. The next day, the big bad wolf came back. Little pig, he called, I'm going to the fair. Will you come with me? No, thank you, said the pig. I have no money for the fair. And the big bad wolf went away again. The next day, the big bad wolf came back once more. Little pig, he called, on the best apple grove in Farmer Brown's garden. Come out and I'll show you where they are. The pig knew the big bad wolf would never leave him alone. He had a plan. I'll meet you tomorrow at 5 o'clock, he replied. The next day, the pig ran out of his house at 4 o'clock. He ran to Farmer Brown's garden. He picked a big basket of apples and ran home again. He put a big pot on a fire to heat water for his tea. The big bad wolf came back at 5 o'clock. Little pig, he called, are you ready to go to Farmer Brown's garden? I have already been and come home again, said the pig. At this, the wolf grew angry. He had tried to trick the pig 3 times. Now it had not worked. He wanted to eat the pig. Now he got a running start and leaped high into the air. He landed on the roof with a loud thump. He jumped down the chimney and splash landed in the big pot of boiling hot water. That was the end of the wolf, and the little pig lived happily ever after in his little brick house. The